I won't allow you to do this. No. Come on. With the mask, please go. No, see, Samsung, you know me very well. This is not the way. This is not. See, sir. Why you are getting? No, I'm not getting agitated, sir. Tell me, sir, you come with your force here. No, they came. No. See, at the first instant, they came with the force. They came with the force just to pull up.
Why are you getting agitated?
No, I'm not getting agitated, sir.
That's why sir, I'm telling also just bring a doctor here and do the medical checkup here.
They can do, sir. There's a mobile service also. See, 108 is there. They can come.
We can talk now.
Yeah, we can talk, so why not?
You cannot force.
We are not forcing. We are not forcing.
There's no
They take a public tax salary.
Okay, you tell me, sir. What do you want to do? Tell me. No, but you can bring your doctor. You can bring your doctor here.
government doctor can just bring it here and do the medical checkup.
I can call the DMHO also. Bhai, I can call.
Government doctor is there. You
I can call the
call
DMHO.
them to come and do for the checkup.
I can call Conrad also. I don't care of calling him at night.
Ibu aja, buat Kaya buat sayawan tadi lawan.
And she is highly obsessed.
I take responsibility.
He is a senior.
Hello, sir.
Relax.
Yeah, sir. Come on, tell you of DHO.
You should know that.
No, sir. No, relax. Come.
We're not inside. We'll talk here.
Okay.
See, we are not going to put anybody ticket.
We are not. We are just concerned for the. We are just concerned for her health. Sir, that's it.
If you are telling you to just bring a medical officer here to do the checkup.
Why you are getting so easy?
Please, requesting you. We are talking in a very good sense.
Calm down.
In a very polite manner. So please, sir, let's talk.
Yes.
What do you want exactly from your end? What do you want exactly from your end?
That's what I'm
So
saying.
you tell us.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, because from our organization also we already
I'm not a competent authority to speak on anything. I'm only here to that.
no, see, I already had a word with your OC,
Listen,
sir.
let me speak. Wait. I'm only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's
Yeah.
it. That's
So-
the only thing.
If you
Wait. I'm not competent authority to speak
Okay, sir.
on any matter.
If you are so
Nothing.
concerned with that.
Wait,
Sir.
Only thing is that. And whatever you say, okay.
No,
I
if you are
agree
so
to it.
concerned with the health,
I
then
agree with
we can
whatever
send
you say.
the,
Relax.
from the government side,
I agree with
we
whatever
appeal
you
to the
say.
government to send the medical health.
That is between you and the government. I'm not a competent person to speak on that.
Sir,
I am here.
Sir, first question I have for you: what is the role of the police? Yeah, right now.
Yes.
What is the role of the
Yes,
police?
yes.
Is it suppose if
Yes.
there's another coronavirus?
Yes.
Okay, say so tomorrow.
Yes.
Is the police or is the doctor to take care of it?
My role is only that.
Same thing
Then,
for the
so
health.
that's why, sir, you can just come and take it. But see, Sinsang, no.
Relax.
See, I'll tell you, I'll cite another example again. That
Relax.
is Mr. Arden's case.
Relax.
Mr. Arden's case.
No.
The doctors were here
No.
to
Relax.
check on his health.
No.
It's not the police.
No. Relax. It's.
I am speaking on behalf as a citizen of Riboy district.
Relax. Baba, relax, please. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm only that her condition should be taken care of. I am only for
We
that.
are all
That's
concerned
it.
about
We are all concerned
That's
about
it.
it. That's what
That's
I'm
it.
requesting you also. From your side also, if you have a medical officer or a medical doctor, bring it here.
Bring it here.
They'll do that.
Hospital cannot be brought here. No.
No, no. Doctor you can be
So
brought.
first of all, sir,
Relax. I'm relaxing, brother. I'm relaxing.
They have taken a
You need to relax. You need to relax too.
Anna Hazare went out for hunger strike. It's the doctors who went there to that place, Jantar Mantar पे. अब क्या और बात करेगा?
That's where I live. If you feel like that, I will do that. But the thing is that hospital cannot be brought here.
Doctor,
Relax.
Hospital without doctor is
Relax.
useless. Hospital without doctor is useless. I'm relaxing, brother. You don't even have an answer. I'm relaxing. You don't even have an
I
answer.
don't
brother.
See, they
have
are-
answer because the question you
Listen to me, sir. There are members of the Voice of the People's Party here. They will recall you that the doctors came here to check on Arden's Basaimat's health.
So same thing for her. She fight for the right, not for her own rights, for the people's rights.
We will do our part.
Send him. No, don't waste your time. Send him. Contact it to your DIG. Contact it to concerned minister,
No,
concerned department. Send
honestly,
it right now.
sir, as per the we respect you as the SP of the East Kashmir district. We just want to to ask you, what is your thing out here like? What is your
I'm only concerned. That's my only concern. I'm not competent. Okay, I understand about that. You're concerned about that. Okay, I understand about that. That's what I'm requesting about you from my side and from the public side also. And from our side, so what she said also, Kongsim also what she said also, to call the doctor here, not her to go there.
We respect you in that way. So please, with due respect, we ask you, as an SP, you have that much capability to seek help from the health department. You please ask the health department to come here to see after her.
That's what she requested from our side, so not
That's
her
all.
to go that side.
Please, okay? That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Please don't make it a havoc out here because why the people out here also will be. I think I understand. I think you understand. Come. Yeah. We also we understand about it.
Not privacy. It's good. I respect that. Sir. I respect that. I'm younger than you. I'm younger than you. I'm younger than you. I am a public opinion. No, sir, please, at this time you cannot talk to any personal out of here. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Karila sa nabuwan ka rin. Nhà lông trai trai đấy đấy cũng đấy, nhà lông trai trai đấy, tập lệ em kia nhà lệ mà ada pasti tak betul ada mat mat tang tak mau kita beli kolak mau yang mana kapur punya mana kapur mah mungkin kamu kapur di
facility ke belum?
Video mengaring itu betul.
Biang kerman kiai yang tu.
Karena himau. Karena himau. Toh. Bakar mana ini mana kalian jangki kalau dan kerjanya pen ini apa kulit beda berkesempatan kamu bandrak juga rekong tapi dia penlai kata kita kalau suka lalu tempat kita kai kata kalau saya bandrak kalian mau spiul ang bakilong agitated hai ya kata kerja kamu jadi tang bandrak itu kalau suka
Pining kong la keren kum nong thok khubor. Hakapor min mit kiwan. Kani kila banle hakapor min singiru. Tenre kiwan hakapor min mit kata kipulit kiwan da kabaka dur. Kabasulingo kalong ba kidan tangkat tu kaningot ki pulit kenthe de kiwan ki bubun ki de ki SOT ki baka dur baka jingwan ga jongki kat kong ga jingtep hasua bangan poima kalong kiwan da kabor tekani amla ban pediang lanu lanuru amar lanangi khen habaki ai ya kata ga jing penchai ga jongki baki ong bakin ra ya ini kong ye kong bendas em hospital ngasolingo ba kumnu kinchuan tang da ki pulit haba lada ki sothu ba kamet ke jong i la tlot ba ha ka baning kong ki di non ra ki doktor lada ki doktor ki ong ba kamet ke jong i kala ka koj ka khia ka jong i kam long shu ka de maki ki ban ai ta ka sernot na de ka certificate ta de ban pinthia hospital do ni kum bolong pat ki labun ki por ki ba ki wan ki ba ya sha than ki ba e ki de ki doktor pat ki wan chekni ke jaka amde ki pulet baragani por ngan keren dukum nong song snong jong gari boy district ngadang hadu mentang ngadang di nong song ke jong Riboy district nadu ke siningkong ngale debong bangan yai don ringkat badi namar kani ke de ke dauba jong ki pajba nang tine po Riboy district ki syam jing e ya ke bakiman ngan yai don ringkat bad ki ngan keren du kum nong thok kubor ngan keren du kum nong song snong bakani daliling inumla bansha mangai bakani ladangi ailat ya kani kan wanjana ke por ba ya urit uria kamut tang nak bor uniform kila ban penungkam hang no ru kani kanum la ban long dale leru haba penungkam ki sothu ki de ki pulet ka kamram ka jongpi ka de ka ei ki de ban sothu bar ka basulingo kolong namar ba ki pulet USP dalade wan hakani ka jaka ngamtip lada udang biang ka kli perkhat nem namar lada peja ka durkhmat ka jongi ui kumbaw la sho khawyang kani ngabu ka jingkli sya ka police department ya ka video ka bayo i balada kani gade garukom trikam kamut kalawe jungi khon samlar kadon ha jingma ba ga por ba kisho khoyang kila banle kanu lada ukhon samlar don tangwe arngut ha kanu jaka bar kani nginum de ban sha dalileiru banganget kinong mi khmat jong gani gari khasi jantia ki de ban kren ya gani marhang ni ki bobon ki de ki bala saki bat ngin long ru kinong saki ban pen sko ya gani tetang gini kintien kabangadon badong
Bakarman namar ba kato kerjanya ini jong hiru tidak saya dikoi ke sampel kaba misaki dangsen hi hakadne ke jok jaka bu ada nang catkan aku pun ibana kalian ke dokter hi ke medical team kawan ban eksamen om ne berkira ibu ba ardan sikit ke sumat itu lo menong tang namar ba idai order restriction ke sarkar kala ada bor banra war lagi ong cai intra ban medical check up itu lo menong ba de ke jing dan bor namar ba idai order restriction nak mun ne ke
pi ta da ngaban mene ngaong yu ngasa ay tu kan nuksa ngong bang kidon hang niru ki dekhot jong ka VPP ki banga itu dur ngakren bo untip mo bakani ke jingja hakani ke jakar keladon bakide ki doktor ki bedawan mde ki pulet bar hakatu ke jing ki jong ubarden umdon weru pulet bawan haga jing ki ke jong langi penken mau jong uba edelbor ru umdon weru pulet how don suwe samla golden star ru katkum ga jing ken mau ke jonga umdon weru upulet kani ka basulingo ba ladangi ken wat chapo shari thor india ru khapor anna zare poru shongi yakhi yathangan ru shong sha thangan umdon upulet kipa kidi bandon ki magistrate kan kadon ka bor district shegi ja ki magistrate haba magistrate ki poi khapor min singi bali kim laban por ki poi min miet ba pulet
itu lah orang makanya kalau ban lah ban iban agar komle jong USP ke jengwan USP ngok ong lah ikum basah kau yang menjur ya kata lah ban orang kejelas jeng lah kelaman ke polis ten aku menon namar ke komle
pi kani dangsian ngadang sudap ya keren buat DGP haga jeng keren ke jonga ngalong i ba omboro ki pulit ki basniu kidon katu kan ni mairi menjur ya kata ban nganget nakaliang mangiyo ya kalong kumi DGP kabangitip kade ga bobet ngatray kan penbet ikiniru boro lade de ban transfer yu USP na kaniru de ban le no hi tangatay ngadon kadong
Emang ni naya pensengau parti jono mah ngewan baik kau. Ngewan baik kau. Em kena kam apa?
Kay ka ba PUE ka long ba? Kay ka ba dyan na kajing tambor jukit berpulit habide pengen kajing chathan jung ikong bindas. Tay ngaso mo nong ba nakaliang jung akum no wilam jung kaseng et no F. Ngaso mo nong ba ngaso dap da kajing susi but ya kajing tambor jung kajing tambor jung kini ki pulit ka ba long persya ya go hok long briman breu. Tay na markata so mo nong ba ka sngomo ka sondemo ba kalen kene da kene kalenti ba sarkar kan pha ek deki beri kusungka tenre lada pinong ba kacing temu jong ki pulit ban ra e kong bindas menta ban le medical check kam simla dai ka kamram jong ki pulit ban le ga andre ila sngo dai ba ka kamram ka dai jong ka sarkar ban pha deki doktor tenre kata su monong ba ngaprem ya kan kacing le jong sarkar but baleh hadu kane kini kinongelam kinong mi khmat kicungi kilong kulung kena kane ka pun pau kulong ba kimpal long bet ban lam ya ka sencar ka khadar ka bala sui la shor ka bangiong kata ka ri ka kari sencar lailui bang labang ten rei ngi ipat kalong dakung pong pat hakane ka jingwan ka jingi mentaga sngi kalong ba dau SP bopek ya ka sokasan bopek ru ya ki jingi kaba upai ba umdei bani kunu jingi enrei uwan pen ban hangne ban tombor ya ini long kemi daga ba mut ban ket jubor ban ra sha ngimtep ka jingong chu ban ra sha ban le medical tang ban rai chono un ra ka tang ngimtep ka jitmu ka ba seri jung pulen te na kaliang jung akum no ilam jung seng HNF maso mondong banga prem ya ka jing le jung SP bat katu kan ki pulet bat kam dei ro kam ram jung ban nang ne khmat lada kan ye ja kum ne ki ban sawan kini kelu jing e na ka por kene kene ki jing le ri khlau jong no USP ba wilam bat kini ki beri jung ki bata ki balate jayong bat kadon jing maru yangi menta ki bodon hangne kai banja sibet bat ngimtep ba lada kasorkar mo kanyalam daki ofsar ki beladi berbuat ayu kan jaingi hangne hagne ka klimat wa menta nakaliang junga sumdong ngaprem ya kene ki jingle jung no USP bat ngaprem ru ya kasorkar bat ngip kasorkar ka bokumno bat balai ka pha dong no concern person ki ban Sim ya ka jingi kli ban wan pek kmi ya ini kong bindas habide bat kene ka khoi kha sungi sakawai ru kolong ba habangi haba poi ka jingi kran habangi kundu mar khmat bon ne SP ngi ikum baulau la debdi mo te hoto ka pisundai mo ba kibriu jong ka an ki pek perman ya kasuk asan lemba kijindi penbuai kata kini kebagi bangi ni perem ya keneru wala da phimngai ya kata ra medical university atau dele me kijing kren kajonga bat nga kentu lara pisodon kam ban ya konsol bat ngi nak mentai kong bindas wan da ka besit ka basai wan da kijing sema da kijing bom penon kam ya kijing di penbuai kamtam kane kijing le jong SP kolong ba ngi ba kumbula di terima kata sumdong sarkar pet ya kini kibu jumpi haba gildan hagaduti kibran kam baklai ke bor suki
darle jopik musim halang bintang sa hani bro minta bro simit adi belajar kami ne khaino ne kambek kamu no pha de ki grup nam ta ban sendran ni kong mindas
kombolong menta haba ngi ke julong jumat mo jisang ngi sumut mendong bangin sokat ngi wan pencan tang sigenta pada kenta handai haba ngawan ngasang ben i hilawan samut dak kantukane ki bakam bagi de medical team kabar kilas nangwan da ki briu ki pulet kabalai lapha do osi kabasau lawan hido SP tengi ba kam song sngany teng karai golong ba ngingim la ru bonong ba ngilip haying ngia hab ibani don rekat ba ikong binda sang ne hadu benda sai ganek step omenta
dan ni pun bentuk nomor bening ke sini ba kalian di medical team awal ini bang de medical shop ni ba ikong benda Rentang sifat iwan kulit namta iwan ong ba halo kena orang manra ini namta mende begitu soal dan ini bentuk lah
ti kecing kentok kala alik lupa hiken nadu mende habangi keren kecing bakala kalong bak sorga ka pha de pulit kim dai kita ki health worker mo kidai kita ki bapek ya ka sukasai ki bapek tang ya ka loan order ti kata kala paul pa bak fail kan government ka pha de pulit klafel ka government kam simlan kita government kaba la ban perkhat namta ban tela kam ya ban ki phalo ka mensem khluj ma la bonong ka bunmi ka jing riu ra la bonong ini daw ba ka jing le ka jing bakla sokar ban pha igine ki officer pulen haka jaga jong ka medical team kala bakla lupa kata ka jing perem lawan
kalian jong pihak tu tak bonong bakal ka jing le ka prinsip mentar sini bagi pak tu orang nambah bagi yo ya order nak bor bakalor tidak benang bakal dari kecing dari government nomor bakamla pendem dia kemensim sentrang jo ikung benda
ngaso punong si kadai kicing perem ba ikong bindas imblong iba syai baklan kim sulmade kamram jungki kadai ka failure jong government gatep ba mono brin pai ya ka sew ka sian juga jai penreu mono ba pai ya ka koi ka khya juga jai penreu jong wei pu wei u dhot nong chusnong jong ka jela mo udon la ka jong uthit ba haba penpau ya ka babun balang kata kalong la punong ba ha ka jing ko jing khya mo bat haba ngile ka crime pi kipuli kipai ka crime kim sulmade ba pai ya ka koi ka khya pi la su thu pa hang ni ka failure jong korban Mesti nanti bodong ba kamram jong upulet pat ban wan pe ya koi ka jong uno unong susnong haba udon syai kata ka jingpang ke kata ka jing perem ko ba ka government kala fil
Safi.
Yang lagi. Một ly cũng mua sao?
Kum kalang kumi.
Nong cái mềm.
tu video ko ba hayo tu SP mana jani tu
Cái đó này em mang tu.
Security kung kowe kalang kumi dan lang hang ne. Saka ai ka jing i jang pia ko koman jang buat kulit na kaleng ka iskasirus. Banra medical check up di kong bindas. Wan adin baila kerja na kaleng jing imtra lagi medical check up.
Kalong kajing alam ke babakla. Kajing alam bakla khamtam ki briu ki badan ha ka service. Kinwan ha ka tu ka rukom ya ka bakim shamlong shu ki briu ki ba normal. Kim shamlong shu ki briu ki ba normal. Namar bakila dep bam. Nalor kata kapor kala dai khatwei tam khatwei baje ke kajing thmu ka jong kila la dai lepa ka bapen bakla namar kajing thmu ka jong kila da ka wan ben sngi ne ki wan ben met kanu ka topo ka por baki wan ki dai ban wan da ka jing yo abor na ikong kan la da ikong i manjur ban le ya kata ka medical check up la da kira sano ro biang henrei pa de la da ki sumut baik ban suwan hang ni sura jur bor ya ikong kata la dai ka jing alam ka bapen bakla
Namar bang iba kumbat rapi saki bang iba USB lah sok kopian ngila bondo kai ba pidon bondo na kaleng jongki
Kiwan hang ni kadai baki thmu ban wan yalam medical check up yaikong henry ka por namar USP wan shu komu normal brio but henry pa de udon ha ka service dai ban yalam check up shwaya u
balik medical check up so
nang ban check le medical check up shwaya u knang ban duk pau sisa ba udang normal ni empor ba wan ni neu la dep di la dep bam
Igual soy bien un poco y es jugar nada. Lawan Asia. Ba Asia.
Kumulong mata fila punya iban kalian pulet hadian kada jing pen ini ya kaba jor pedang jong ba karman yuria ba dai ro hago kapor unang sang sang jing karbai bat u editor in chief jong usulong met na kalian USP mata la lej no da jing perjam ram hadian bana kalian jong u berkum jor kipat ba pernah kena kejaka nadu kena sang balang jong kecen why every boy pat koi koi klap pen ba dak bong ba dan kam na bentah ban medical check up kadai kamram jeng doktor om jeng pulet banwan sikan kejaka nomor baik kong bindas imtra ban medical check up dan kalian sangat ingin saya bitang dan kena kena kupor ingin saya live bank tangkan neswa setiasok bat kong belum mata filap ni iru bana kalian jong u MLA juga maulai ba operasi terwar lula dan kata kejaka berkini kini kepat ba te ngesai live bank lah dan kai ke ba dan kam saya ke ba ngesai live bank te na benta mata sport ni pesanga setiasok kubule sibon Lasela gue melihat jangka mulai bawa utara ban kering sepak yang hadir nih salah live yang lada dan kam tayam mata sport nih sa persangana good night